Hey guys, so in this video today, we're going to be comparing Heygen.com's pricing to Invideo AI videos pricing. So we're going to be showing you today which one is better, which one is going to give you the most bang for your buck on video generation. So let's get in with Heygen here. To start off with, you could see that if we head over to the yearly pricing, you could basically see that creator for video generation here on HeyGen is create unlimited videos. You can only create up to 5 minutes and then export up to 1080p with the $24 a month. It includes everything in free, avatar add-ons available, watermark removal, fast video processing, brand kit, and brand voice. And then if you check out team, you could see 30 minutes worth of video. You get to create unlimited videos, and then you get to export up to 1080p. And then it includes everything in creator, one custom video avatar set, one custom interactive avatar and seat, which will be like an interactive custom avatar in a video that will talk to you and all that, 700 plus stock avatar looks, and then multi-user and role permissions, faster video processing. And then enterprise, you're gonna have to contact sales for that, but as far as the pricing compared to Invideo, you can see here that only 50 minutes of video of AI video generation, uh, and then 80 a month on iStock, 60 seconds generative credits, and then 100 gigabytes storage, unlimited exports to voice. So you could probably already see that as far as video generation and AI video generation, HeyGen actually takes the lead here because they provide a little bit more for the price at least. So if you choose max comparison to like the team one, you get a lot less, only 60 seconds worth of generated credits, and then 200 minutes a month, which in HeyGen you get unlimited videos and videos up to 30 minutes, but you could just keep creating 30-minute video intervals. So HeyGen takes the lead and winning of today's video. But you could check out Invideo pricing yourself individually if you want, and just kind of make the comparison based on what you need. So yeah, that's today's video. That's the comparison between HeyGen pricing and Invideo pricing. I hope you found the video helpful.